Hello and welcome back. Big changes are coming to carry-on luggage rules in 2025. Are you ready? If not, you could end up paying unexpected fees or facing last-minute surprises at the airport. But don't worry, in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know so you can breeze through security hassle-free. Let's tackle the big question first. Is there finally a universal standard size for carry-on luggage? The short answer is no. Despite what some sources might claim, airlines are sticking to their own size restrictions. Most U.S. airlines allow carry-ons around 22 by 14 by 9 inches, while European carriers often have slightly smaller limits. But here's the catch. Airlines are getting stricter about enforcing these rules. So, before you head to the airport, measure your bag and check your airline's specific requirements. Weight limits are another area where things are changing. Many airlines, especially those in Europe and Asia, have strict weight restrictions for carry-ons, usually between 15 to 22 pounds. And some airlines even include your personal item in that weight limit. My advice? Invest in a portable luggage scale and weigh your bags at home before you leave. Trust me, it's better than getting hit with unexpected fees at the gate. Now, let's talk liquids. While some airports are relaxing liquid restrictions with new scanning technology, the 311 rule is still in effect in many places. That means liquids, gels, and aerosols must be in 100 milliliters containers or smaller and fit in a single, quart-sized, clear plastic bag. And remember, each traveler is limited to one quart-sized bag. So, stick to travel-size containers for your essentials. Airlines are also implementing stricter rules for electronics, especially power banks. Power banks under 100 watt-hours are generally allowed. Power banks between 100 and 160 watt-hours are required to have permission from airline, but those over 160 watt-hours are usually a no-go. Additionally, you're no longer allowed to use power banks during the flight, and many airlines also do not allow power banks in overhead lockers, so they must be kept in a personal bag under the seat in front of you. And don't forget, you need to be able to turn on any electronic device during security checks. Smart luggage with built-in batteries is facing increased scrutiny. If your smart bag has a battery, make sure it's removable. Some airlines might even require you to carry the battery separately in your personal item. Always check with your airline about their specific rules for smart luggage. Alright, let's recap with some top tips for stress-free travel. Measure your luggage before you go. Pack strategically and use packing cubes. Wear your heaviest clothes and shoes on the plane. Be prepared for security checks. And most importantly, check your airline's website for their latest carry-on luggage rules. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels.